Yeah.
Today we're talking about bullying, so here we go. Hey, nerd, give me your lunch money! No, don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Give me your lunch money! Stop breaking it up! You can't fight at school, okay?
Get out of the way!
Stop! Don't make me call your parents! Okay, I don't want to get my parents in trouble. You're mean.
No, it's not good to bully at school or anywhere.
But she didn't give me her lunch money today.
Well, because
Well, she's supposed to. Why didn't you? You're supposed to come to my locker. I was supposed to push you against the locker.
no. Bullying is bad for you.
How is it bad?
Because it could hurt people. You have a bad reputation, and you could get to the principal's office.
So you're going to tell the principal on me?
Yeah, I am.
Really?
Yeah, what you didn't do about it?
Call your mom. Fine. I won't be the bully of her. Anyway.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.